So hello dear students, in the previous lectures we have studied about cubic crystals. We have studied a simple cubic structure in which atoms are present at the corners of the cube, then body centered cubic crystal in which atoms are present at the corners as well as the center of the cube, then face centered cubic structure in which atoms are present at the corners as well as at the center of each face. So in this we have studied about total number of atoms present in a unit cell, volume of the unit cell, and arrangement of the atoms in the cubic crystals. So continuing, next topic is coordination number. Coordination number is defined as the number of equidistant nearest neighbors that an atom has in a given structure. It is the number of nearest neighbors to a given atom. So now we will try to calculate the coordination number for the three lattices. First is simple cubic lattice. So as we know, in a simple cubic the atoms are present at the corners of the each cube. So if we wish to draw a simple cubic structure, so you might have drawn this cubic structure in your lower classes as well in chemistry. So here now we will depict the various atoms. So these are 8 atoms. Join these 2 points as well. So this is a 1 unit cell. So in this cube, so there will be 8 unit cells of simple cubic arrangement. So 4 above, 4 below. So this is our simple cubic arrangement, and here we wish to find a coordination number. For this we pick the central atom, and now we will draw its various nearest neighbors, nearest to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 nearest neighbors. So coordination number for simple cubic arrangement is 6. So coming to BCC lattice. Number 2, BCC lattice. In BCC lattice, body centered cubic lattice, atoms are present at the corners as well as at the center of the cubic arrangement. So 8 corners of the cube, and one is present at the body center. So body center, how we find the body center? We join the opposite internal diagonals. So this will be our atom which is present at the body center of the cube, and all the atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are its nearest neighbors. So its coordination number is 8. So next is FCC lattice. So now we are to depict the FCC lattice and try to find the coordination number for this. So firstly we try to make a cubic arrangement. Then we make another FCC unit cell. Now we place the atoms as it is a FCC arrangement. So 8 atoms at its corners and 6 atoms at the center of each face. Left face, right face, top face, bottom face, front face, back face. 6. Similarly 6 on the other side. Firstly corner atoms, 8 on the corners, top face, bottom face. On the left face already it has atom, right face, front face, back face. So now we are to find the coordination number. For the coordination number, we are to select one central atom. Now we try to find its nearest neighbors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are the nearest neighbors. Then 5, top face, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. So coordination number is 12. Nearest neighbors are shown in red color. Central atom is shown in green. So this is the calculation of coordination number for cubic crystals and their diagrammatic representation. So for simple cubic structure, coordination number is 6. For BCC it is 8. And for FCC it is 12. So this completes the coordination number concept. Next concept is atomic radius. Radius of the atoms which are to be placed in a particular cubic crystal. So for this we assume our atoms as atoms, ions or molecules that we arrange as spheres, and we are to calculate the atomic radius. Let the edge length or side of the cube that is equal to small a. So one by one, for simple cubic arrangement, simple cubic arrangement is the simplest arrangement. Firstly, we draw the simple cubic. So now atoms, we will show them not by the points, by the spheres. A, B, C, D, it is a front face, and we will depict the atoms at these faces by blue color spheres. This is a sphere of this is the atom present at point A, this is at D, this is at C, this is at B. If we mark R as the radius of the sphere, all the spheres, all the atoms are identical. Side of the cube, edge as A. These blue color, these are spheres, atoms present at four corners of A, B, C, D face. So these are clearly visible to you. So for the edge AB, it is clear A is equal to R plus R. So 2R is equal to A. So R is equal to A by 2. So this is the atomic radius of an atom which is present in simple cubic arrangement. So next type of arrangement is BCC arrangement. BCC arrangement. So now we draw the BCC structure. A, B, C, D. It is E, F, G, H, and my DF is the body diagonal. DF is the body diagonal. This is the body diagonal. So now we will show only that portion of atoms which are lying inside the cube and on this body diagonal only. So now we will depict only those atoms. So one atom is present at the center of the cube. Next atom is at corner F and corner D. Firstly, we try to find the body diagonal DF. So we need the length DF. For that, we join DG as DG square. It is equal to CD square plus CG square. So edge length is A. So it is A square plus A square. So DG square is 2A square. Now in right angle triangle, DGF. DF square is diagonal. Hypotenuse, it is equal to DG square plus GF square. So DG square from equation number 1 is 2A square. GF is again edge length side of cube 3A square. So DF is root 3A, square root of that. But in terms of atom, if we try to depict it in terms of atoms, then this is R, this is also radius, this is the radius, this is the radius. So total length is 4R. In terms of atomic radius, DF is equal to 4R. So from 2 and 3, we get 4R is equal to root 3A. So R is equal to root 3A by 4. So this is for BCC structure. Case is the FCC arrangement. Face centered cubic, and if we try to draw it, so we have to select one face. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we select the A, B, C, D face and we draw a diagonal AC. So now we will try to depict the atoms. One atom which is at the center of the face. This is next atom which is present at the corner C. Next atom at the corner A. So in terms of radius, this is r, this is r, this is r, this is r, this is the middle point. So AC length, it is equal to 4r. AC length is equal to 4r. Now in terms of edge length, this is A, this is A. So in right angled triangle ACD, AC square, it is equal to AD square plus CD square. It is A square plus A square, it is equal to 2A square. So AC is equal to root 2A. So from 1 and 2, 4r is equal to root 2a. So r is equal to root 2a by 4. So r is equal to a upon 2 root 2. So this is how we calculate the atomic radii for different cubic structures. So next topic is packing fraction. Next is packing fraction. It is defined as the radius ratio of, it is defined as the ratio of volume occupied by all the atoms in a unit cell to volume of unit cell. Volume occupied by all the atoms in a unit cell to the volume of the unit cell. So we write packing fraction by PF, it is equal to volume of atoms in a unit cell volume of unit cell. So let capital N is number of atoms present per unit cell. So n into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is volume of one atom into number of atoms. It will be the volume of all the atoms. Volume of unit cell, it will be a cube. Why? Because we have selected the edge length, side length of the cube equal to small a. So now we will calculate the packing fraction for various structures, cubic crystals. So number one is simple cubic. So for simple cubic, number of atoms per unit cell is 1 and r is equal to a by 2. So check, you can check it here. So r is equal to a by 2 and number of atoms present per unit cell for simple cubic is 1. So we substitute these values here and we will get the packing fraction as 1 into 4 by 3 pi a by 2 cube divide by a cube. So when you solve this, you will get packing fraction is equal to 0.52 or 52%. That is 52% of the available volume of the cube is occupied, rest is empty in a simple cubic arrangement. So second is BCC arrangement, and if we dealing with BCC arrangement, number of atoms for BCC arrangement is 2 and R is equal to root 3a by 4. You can check these values as well. So for BCC arrangement, R is equal to root 3a by 4 and number of atoms present per unit cell is 2. And if we substitute these values in the packing fraction formula, so it will be 2 into 4 by 3 pi root 3a by 4 cube divided by a cube. So if we solve this, we will get this value as 0.68 or 68%. So BCC arrangement is more compact arrangement. So here atoms occupy 68% of the available volume to them. So last arrangement is FCC arrangement, and FCC arrangement n is equal to 4 and R is equal to a by 2 root 2. So these two values, so R is equal to a for FCC arrangement, number of atoms present per unit cell is 4. So few of the values have been calculated in the previous lecture. You can see it there, or you might have noted them in your notebook. 2 root 2 cube divided by a cube. So when you solve this, it will be 0.74 or 74%. So what is the conclusion? So best packed structure is FCC structure. This is the best packed because here packing fraction is 74%. So dear students, this completes today's lecture. Keep in touch for next lectures. Thanks a lot.